In this video, we'll walk through the process of connecting your Untitled audience to Google Ads as a custom list. Before you complete this process, make sure that you have an Untitled audience of at least 2,000 members that is syncing to the Google Sheets destination from your Untitled account. Google Ads requires a minimum list size of 1,000 people, and they have an estimated match rate of about 50%. So that means they'll only be able to use about 50% of the list you upload. For that reason, we recommend an Untitled audience with at least 2,000 members before you get started. This video will walk through how to connect that Google Sheet to Google Ads for an automatically updating list of customers you can retarget with your Google Ads campaigns. To sync the Google Sheets audience with ads, log into your Google Ads account. Navigate to Tools, Shared Library, and Audience Manager. Click the plus button and select Customer List. In the Data Source pop-up, select Google Sheets. Click the Direct Connection option and click Continue. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to log in or select a Google account to connect to Google Ads. Ensure that you are logged in to the Google account that has access to or ownership of the Google Sheet containing the customer list that you want to sync to Google Ads. Grant the Google Data Connection the permissions to use your Google Drive files. After you've linked your data source, click Next and choose emails, phone numbers, or mailing addresses as the data type that you'll import. Click Browse to pick a file from your Google Drive. Select the Google Sheet that is acting as the destination for your Untitled audience. The Google Ads sync can only read data from the first tab in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. If your spreadsheet has multiple tabs, make sure that the first tab contains the data you're trying to import. If you're syncing multiple audiences from Untitled to Google Ads, make sure you've set up each audience in its own Google Sheet, not as tabs within one sheet. Click Next. Google Ads will attempt to map the fields from your Untitled destination to the Google field. You need to remove the fields from the address fields in order to continue. Click the drop-down and select or search None for the address fields that have populated in Google Ads, and click Next. Your Untitled audience will update your Google Sheet once a day at 12:15 p.m. Eastern Time, so you can edit the update schedule for the Google Ads list update to be daily between 1 and 2 p.m. Eastern Time, ensuring that every update to your Google Ads customer list contains the most updated information from your Untitled destination. Click Save and Finish. Now you can name the customer list in Google Ads. In this example, we'll use the Untitled audience name so that it's very clear in the Google Ads dashboard which audience we are using as a customer list. Confirm that this data was collected in compliance with Google's customer match policies, and we recommend leaving the membership duration of customers in this list at Google's maximum of 540 days. Using the Untitled Audience Builder and Lookback window, you can limit the duration of audience members within Untitled. Click Save and Continue. That's it. Now you've created a new customer list in Google Ads that will automatically sync with your Untitled audience data in Google Sheets. Click Done. Now your custom list will show up under the Your Data Segments tab within the Audience Manager of Google Ads. This customer list will update every day and continue to grow, and you can use it in your display, search, and video campaigns within Google Ads, retargeting website visitors and creating efficient targeted campaigns to reach your future customers at the perfect time.